What I then do is once I have it laid down and lined up to how I want it, I then take my tack spray and I will fold it back and I will give it a light coat. Take my squeegee it down, turn it around, hit the other side that I didn't really hit, and then here is the great part. So if you don't have any masking stuff that people use when they have a bunch of little dots, you don't have to. I don't use it. This is what I do after I tack everything down. I then take the carrier sheet that is on the EasySubli and I fold it and I roll it. And I roll it off. And be careful, if you have a lot of little balloons or whatever, little stars, just go over them slow. If they start to lift up a little, go back and just peel it slow, keep it close to the paper. And once you do that, you now have the EasySubli on the paper. You can see it, the shiny side. So what you do next is you basically just go lay it on your shirt and you just press it all together as one. And then when it's done, the EasySubli with the image will stick to the shirt, and then you're done. And you end up with, one second, you end up with something like this. So if anybody's got any questions, let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. Like I said, sorry I don't have all that fancy audio or whatever editing stuff. So thanks again. I'm out.